love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Okay, so yes, my face is basic because it's definitely giving, but this is a lash try on. I'm going to be trying on some lashes for you all. This is going on my Instagram story, but I'm going to be trying on the style lashes in the video as well, along with a basic beat. But I want to show you how I snatch my nose, and also just basically do my whole basic beat. This is basically like an updated 2020 simple makeup look tutorial. In the beginning of the tutorial, you're gonna see my eyebrows. They're getting really thick. I don't know if I can make a comparison. I'll probably put a comparison right here, but you're gonna see me talking about it in a video about these peels. But I just want to show y'all before the video starts. These are the Mielle Healthy Hair Adult Vitamin with biotin. It's an advanced formula to support healthy hair and immune system. Dietary supplements. So yeah, I do be going to the bathroom with these, but I can see a big improvement in like my brows. It's growing like my underarm hairs. It's growing all the hairs on my body. I love these vitamins. My mom put me on these vitamins, y'all, and I was like, you know. They don't sell them in the store no more. I'm like, I got 2 bottles, but my mama took one. These right here, these are good. It's no promotion with these, but if she want to put me on her promotion team, I definitely would take these, okay? Because I love these vitamins. I just want y'all to tune into this tutorial. Definitely comment down below if you like these type of looks. I know some of you guys like these type of looks with shadows. I didn't do it for shadows. I mean, I didn't do shadows today because of the try on haul purposes. So yeah, I just want y'all to get into it, especially to learn how to do a basic beat. Like, that's a must, y'all. We gotta learn how to do the basic beats, because once you get that down pat, you could do eyeshadow or pop on any shadow that you want. But if you want to keep on watching, please stay tuned. My eyebrows are growing, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all the peels that I'm taking in order to get my eyebrows, nails, and stuff and hair to grow. I've been taking these pills for almost about a month now. Y'all know exactly how my eyebrows be like super thin. I don't want them thin anymore. I just go through these eyebrow phases, okay? Like thin, thick, thin, thick. Do y'all see them though? Do y'all see my eyebrows? I slightly fill them in. I mean, not fill them in. I slightly clean them up. I don't want to clean them all the way up because I want to go get them arched. I mean, well, I want to go get a wax once I feel like they're fully, like, full enough for me. I'm exfoliating my lips because I'm telling y'all, it's really good to exfoliate your lips. I went ahead and I took my Too Faced lip injection on my lips after I exfoliated. So I wouldn't even tell y'all to do this, but if y'all want to, y'all can. The only thing is your lips is gonna burn. That's because the lip injection is supposed to plump your lips up. But don't exfoliate and then do it. That's just me. I always do that. I like to get the dead skin off. I don't like when people's lips be crusty and then y'all try to put some lip gloss or liquid lipstick on top of that. They're just like, ew. I have to do my eyebrows off camera like I stated before, and I'm coming back. So I just want to show y'all the brows, how they look before I clean them up. Period. They look so good. I use my brow pencil from my line coming real soon. I use the brow soap from City Colors, and I actually like it. So honestly, my two faves right now is, you already know, my 24-hour benefit brow gel, but then now it's this brow soap, because the brow soap, I mean, this can make your eyebrows fuller, but I'm loving how my eyebrows are growing, and me using this brow soap, it makes it so much easier. Did my brows off camera, y'all. This is how they turned out. I'm about to prime my face and moisturize it. So the moisturizer I use is this Milk Vegan moisturizer right here. That's how I want my face to look without the bumps. I mean, not the bumps. Well, those two, but without the dark marks. Okay. So I tried to cover up the ones that are like really dark, and I'm about to dap it out. I use this Allure Mercier Secret Camouflage Brightening and Corrector Duo foundation. I want to try, and I'm going to take foundation. I'm going to take my Sheer Glow New Caledonia, and then my Milk foundation. And you get that Snatched nose right here. So you're going to take this, some concealer. I like to take this concealer right here. It's L'Oreal Concealer Amber. And I like to go as close on the sides of my nose. So on the sides just like that. And I'm taking it in all the way. So you see how it looks skinny already, because I put concealer on both of the sides. And I'm going to take Butterscotch and the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I'm going to put this right. And then I'm going to take Chai in the same concealer. But I only put this like right here. I don't really do my nose like that until the last minute. I just went down the bridge of my nose with Tarte Tin Sin. Got from my brow and creamy. And this inside towards the concealer in towards the eyebrow area. Powder everything that was highlighted in the areas that needed to be set, which is my eyelids. I just added the remaining foundation that was on my lid, and I just set it with powder. So now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in the shade 160. I mean, no, 430. And I'm just gonna pat this in the areas that I did not set with setting powder. that same setting powder, and I'm also gonna powder the sides of my nose so it'll be a little bit more snatched. So she has a wing line. She has a liner from her collection that I'm promoting, but I'm just doing a Lash try on haul, so I'm not gonna use her liner. I'm gonna use, it's a glue. It's supposed to be it's Lash glue liner. This is what we got so far. I did like a rounded wing, and as you can see, like my skin is over flapping the wing liner because, like I said, I have hooded eyelids, so I tend to go thicker with my wing liner. But this time I didn't because I personally, this one looks a little thicker than this one. I personally didn't want to go too thick. But blush, I'm gonna go into this one. This is the Juvia's Place Sahara blush palette in Volume 2, and I'm gonna go into this one right here. I am ordering like samples of blushes, y'all. I can't wait to try them. This is basically gonna have me, it's gonna give me a luminous glow instead of me looking so matte. So that's what it's gonna do. I'm gonna take this Zoeva highlighter. This is what I used the last time. And this one is called Surreal. And make it a little bit lighter because I don't have my dose of color in. I just use some NARS concealer. I'm about to take Honey I'm Home put it right in the center. Beauty Supply clear. This is from like LA Colors. That's it. Put these earrings back on. Wash my hands so we can get into these lash try-on.
You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Nah, you can't go back home.
I'm tanked up and I'm danked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm tanked up and I'm danked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a motherfucking meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right.